I'm about to perform a 5-minute oil change on the 2012 Toyota Camry. Okay, you can see I have a canister filter down at the bottom. There's your oil plug. You first want to pop this canister loose, let the pressure off. You can see his canister housing is already damaged on arrival. Alright, I got my canister cracked. I got a 14 on this drain plug. Oil's kind of dirty. Probably went over his oil change. Going back in with drain plug. Right, here's a little trick how I get these gaskets off these canister filters. I squeeze together like this with a towel. You see the gap? And I just peel it off. I got new oil gasket and filter. You don't want to put it too tight. There you go, 5-minute oil change on the 2012 Toyota Camry. Subscribe to the page.